guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Productive Paris and today I'm going to be filming a vlog of my summer day. It's currently 7:20 a.m. and I woke up at 7:15, so let's get up. I have an appointment, so I'm going to get ready for that. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to leave soon, so I'm going to pack my stuff. So basically today I'm going to be going to my dermatology appointment, and then afterwards we're going to go straight to the beach, and then we're going to eat at a seafood place, and we're going to come back home. My school starts in less than a week and I'm actually really sad. By the way, this tastes exactly like the summer berry refresher. Now I'm going to fill up my water bottle and then I'm going to get ready to go to the car. Just had a shower, so let's do my skincare and then eat. I'm gonna go to sleep, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night.